In this tutorial I will show you how to see Spotify Wrapped 2023. First, make sure you have the latest version of Spotify on your device. Then open the Spotify app. At the top, tap on the tab where it says Wrapped. Here you can see your Spotify Wrapped 2023. If you tap on the first option, you will be able to see your Spotify Wrapped 2023. You also can share on your social media. For me, this is not available because I haven't played enough songs on Spotify. You also can see your top songs 2023 in music and other stuff here. So that is how you can see Spotify Wrapped 2023.